Hello, are you ready for math? Things look a little different today. I'm going to use some cubes in front of you to help you with today's lesson. Hi, Harvey. I want you to take a peek today. We have been working on how to dissect numbers and put two sets of numbers together that would equal a total. Yesterday we worked on the numbers 6 and 7, or 6 and 7. Today we're going to work on 8. So you're going to see some counters here. You're going to help me build them and take away, and we're going to write the numbers on here, the number sentences to go along with it. I'm not going to really color on here because I'm going to use these cubes, but you are welcome to do that. If you look at the very first one, we're still working where the answer is at the beginning and our equation or our number sentence is after that. So this number sentence right here, what does that say? Can you read it with me? 8 equals 7 plus 1. So what it's saying is if we have 7 and then 1 more, that's going to equal 8, okay? I have been using the reds first. Today we're going to use the blues first, okay? So let's take a look. I did what they just had. I have 7 blue and 1 red. That's going to give us a total of 8 blocks. So let's double check and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's my 7 blue. And 1 more makes 8. So go ahead and trace that number sentence. 8 is equal to 7 blues and 1 red. 7 plus 1. All right. Let's go ahead and turn the page and go on to the next part. Maybe. All right, here we go. So all you're going to see are some more number sentences, and we're going to have to figure it out. I could flip that 7 plus 1, and now what do I have? Remember the flips? What's the flip of 7 plus 1? It's 1 plus 7. So 1 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blue, all together gives us how many cubes? 8. So our first number sentence here will be 8 equals 1 plus 7. Now I want you to see what I do. We've done this a little bit already. We're going to take away 1 blue. I'm going to break off 1 blue at the end, okay? But I'm going to add a red. So we're taking away a blue and adding a red. I still have 8 cubes. I just have them in a different combination. So now I have 2 reds and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blues. So what's my number sentence going to be? 8 is equal to 2 plus 6. 8 is equal to 2 plus 6. Okay? Now, let's do kind of the same thing. I'm going to take away a blue, but I'm going to add a red. So I'm taking one away, but I'm adding one. I'm just changing the colors. So let's see what happens here. Now I have 8 is equal to blank plus blank. Now, how many reds do I have? I have 3. 1, 2, 3. Plus, how many blues? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 8 is equal to 3 plus 5. I still have 8 all together. I just have it in a different combination. Okay? One more for this page. I'm going to take away a blue and add a red. Ooh, this is a good one. What do we call this one? Do you remember? Let's write the numbers and see if we can, if you don't remember, let's see if we write the numbers. That kind of helps you. We still have how many cubes? We still have 8 cubes, but now it's a different combination of cubes. 2 pairs of numbers. How many reds do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8 is equal to 4 plus, how many blues are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 is equal to 4 plus 4. And what do we call that? When you have the same number twice, it's called a double. So that is a double. All right, let's move it along. I need to turn my page, you don't. I don't know why my eraser isn't working today. Oh, there it goes. All right, we've got some more here. Maybe. Oh, I know why. Sorry. Okay, there we go. We only have 3 on this page. So we're left off here. We're going to take off a blue and add a red. And now what's my number sentence going to be? Did you say 5 plus 3? If you did, way to go. You're right. 8 is equal to 5 reds plus 3 blues. So 8 is equal to 5 plus 3. Okay, here we go. Take away a blue and add a red. I still have those 8 cubes. I haven't lost any. How many reds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 is equal to 6 plus how many blues? 2. 8 is equal to 6 plus 2. Very good. We have 1 more left. Are you ready? All right, take away a blue and add a red. Now what's our number sentence going to be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 1. 7. 8 is equal to 7 plus 1. And I think that's what we had on the very front page. Now there is another way we could do it. We could do one more. If we took away this last blue and put on 1 red, what could our number sentence be? Do you know? Did you say 8 plus 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you could add 1 more. It would be 8 plus 0. Or what's the flip of 8 plus 0? 0 plus 8. So that could be another one or 2 more that we could add on there. All right, let's go to our very last page. And you will see here, we're going to have a little number problem. And it has to do with the one problem I just shared with you. Let me get to my words here. There are 8 crayons. And we're going to use these cubes as an example of the crayons. We're going to pretend they're the crayons, okay? So there are 8 crayons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 crayons. And they are, 8 of the crayons are red. All right, so 8 of the crayons are red. Perfect. How many are not red? Well, if we only are going to have 8 crayons, which is what this number sentence says, and 8 of them are red, how many of them are going to be another color? Do we already have 8? We do. So it's going to be 0. The hero is going to go there. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Okay? All right, on our very last one, we're going to show what we know about another number pair. We've already come up with all the number pairs, so we're going to make this one easy. I want to do the double. Do you remember what the double looks like? What would it be? Something plus something that equals 8 that are doubles. Do you remember it being 4 and 4? Let's look. So if I have 4 red, and I'm going to add on 1, 2, 3, 4 blue, 4 plus 4 more, what does it equal? It equals 8. You're right. So 8 is equal to 4 plus 4. Good job. You're doing a great job. We're almost there. 9s are tomorrow and 10s are Thursday. And then we're going to take our Chapter 5 test on Friday. When we're done with addition, we're going to begin working on subtraction. Keep adding. Practice, practice. I'll see you tomorrow in math.